camera for you guys. So let's see what I can do. I caught two smallies back to back, two different sizes, both mediums. Caught a shiner. Caught everything today. Pike, bass, shiner, fucking starfish, perch. Is there anything I didn't catch? Walleye. I caught one of those the other day. Right, so now we gotta get it going. First bite. Flowing too fast. Of course. Got it. Got it. Oh, it's decent. It's decent. Oh, it's decent. It's decent. All on cam. Perfect. I'm a G. Small 8. Not the same one, obviously. Oh, fuck. I don't have my net set up, so I gotta friggin' get him in. I couldn't even tell what it was. Oh, I've caught everything today. Oh, what a beast. Fucking beast. Look at that beast. Alright guys, as you can see, it was a beaut. He's pooing right now. See him? Safe release. Told you guys I'm gonna let you go. So you get in there for a minute. As you guys can see, I got a monster. He's been attacked too, eh? I didn't realize. He's been attacked by another one? What? I've had a pretty good day today.